Hey guys, welcome to an unboxing video where I'm going to be unboxing a package I got from K-Pop Bazaar, which is going to be so exciting, so let's go. So I've just started cutting this out because it takes ages to cut all the tapes and that. So this Hyunjin picket. So this is actually my first picket I've got. I wanted the 5th meeting, but that was sold out. So I'm just going to open this bubble wrap. But all I need now is a cover, which is what is that? So it's my very first picket. I might take it to the picnic, which I'm going to be talking about another video, which says one in August. So, oh my god, it looks so cool. I love this. Oh my god, I still can't believe I actually got some interactions with him in Sydney. And I got this photo card because I wanted another one for my collection. So I've got the Hyunjin a Toy Story photo card. Oh my god! Oh my god, look what I got! I love this! Oh my god, not only I got my bias, but I got my bias record as well. Oh my god, I look so cute! Oh my god, I was not expecting to get Hyunjin or Han because they're both my favourites and it's so hard to get them. So let's get this one. So this is my Hyunjin Jacket solo albums. Oh my gosh. That just literally made my... I don't want to break it. There's probably something easy opener and I'm just trying to find somewhere I can open it. Be right back, I'm just going to quickly unwrap this. Okay, finally got the wrapper off, so it was stuck in a corner. So this is what the front of it is. And let's open that one. Oh my god. Oh my god, it looks so cute. So I got these are my Hyunjin ones. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with these photos. They're so cute. Oh my god. Okay, so they go in my K-pop room and I've got my CD or a little station where I get as well. Oh my god, double-sided Hyunjin. I love this so much. Oh, thank you K-Pop Bazaar. Shout out to you guys. Oh, I realised. Oh, his ID card. Oh my god, this has literally been the best. So I'm going to spend the rest of my day listening to this. Oh, there's this one as well. Trying to get this out without breaking it. There we go. So that's the front of the page. That one's got this on it. Oh my god. I so feel like he definitely matches with his buzz cut. At first I was like kind of nervous, but then I was like, oh my god, he actually suits it. So thank you so much. I'll see you next time when I get another package. Bye.